Well, it is expected to be an action-packed week going ahead. Let's start off on the domestic front. So India is expected to come out with the industrial production as well as CPI data early next week, that is on 12th of July. Later on, it is expected to disclose its June wholesale prices as well as trade data on 14th of July. Now, when we look at some global cues, the United States will be releasing their CPI data on 13th of July. A few other important economic releases that you need to keep track of are the initial jobless claims as well as the monthly budget statement, which will be released on 14th of July. Industrial production is also expected to be released on 15th of July. Now, as for United Kingdom, manufacturing production and industrial production related data will be released on 13th of July. When we look at China, the trade balance data is an important parameter to keep track of, which will be coming out on 13th of July. Apart from that, GDP as well as industrial production and retail sales will be other key economic releases that you need to watch out for on 17th July. Now, when we talk about the global earnings, two important earnings coming on 14th July from JP Morgan as well as Morgan Stanley. A day later, Citigroup will be reporting their earnings, that is on July 15th. Now, some other important events that you need to keep track of are the Japan will be holding an election for the upper house of the parliament on 10th of July. From July 11th to July 21st, Nord Stream 1, which is the gas pipeline, which is Europe's key channel for natural gas from Russia, will be closed for annual maintenance. So that is another important event to watch out for. Now, on July 13th, President Joe Biden will be beginning a 4-day trip to the Middle East. He is expected to plead Gulf crude producers to pump more barrels, and that is another important event to watch out for. A group of 20 finance ministers and central bankers will also be meeting in Bali on 15th of July. So these are all the cues that you need to keep on your radar for the trading session next week.